Video.
Hold on. Okay, behind the scenes.
For those of you that are poor and don't have a vacuum or a blower to clean this properly, all you have to do is just hold it to wherever you don't mind dust being. For now, I'm using my room floor since I don't want to walk outside. And then you just blow as hard as you can.
That's what she said.
Queer.
Why? There's a lot of dust. Oh shit! You're right. You're right in the middle of it.
Be careful. Most Xboxes do get really dusty, and try not to touch the motherboard. Another thing is, chances are you'll get dust into you and you'll start coughing.
Mm-hmm. Asbestos.
By the way, you might want to use a Q-tip to just in case where the
Ah.
Oh man.
That shit's everywhere.
Make sure you clean
It's a professional blower.
Sorry.
Hey, shut up!
Let's just keep on, alright?
And try to make sure you get as much dust out as you can without touching anything very important.
That was not a mistake.
What?
He's naturally queer, don't mind it.
Oh yeah. No. Sorry, is that it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright.